Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. We are going to make a Sohrai painting today. As we know that Sohrai is the art form from Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, there is a district which is called Hazaribagh, and Hazaribagh has lots of Sohrai artists. Actually, Jharkhand has lots of artists, but especially in Hazaribagh district, there are many more artists of Sohrai art. The primary color used is the black color, and there are only 3 4 colors which are used in Sohrai art. Okay, and they have very simple borders, very simple borders. तो ये पाउच है, कैनवस का पाउच है. इसमें मैं बॉर्डर तो नहीं बना रही हूँ, पहले हम कलर भर लेते हैं, फिर हम आउटलाइन कर देंगे. तो पहले मैं लीव्स में शुरू करती हूँ. ये सैप ग्रीन है और सैप ग्रीन को मैं साइड की लीव्स में कर रही हूँ. Turtle is very important in Indian mythology. It is believed that Earth is staying on the back of turtle. तो मैं पहले टर्टल की बॉडी में कलर भर देती हूँ. दिस इज मस्टर्ड येलो, क्योंकि सोहराई में तो बहुत कम कलर्स यूज होते हैं. 4 5 कलर्स ही हैं, वही यूज होते हैं सोहराई में. So this is black. This is Pabio's black fabric paint. Sohrai, they use gray color also. So if you want, you can use gray color also. This is the most common border design. And in Sohrai painting also, border is drawn on all the 4 sides. I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.